Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to work with the question 3 from session 3 review, and it's again part of supernormal growth dividend topic. So I already summarized the information that we have in this question, which show in this table. So basically, the scenario is quite different from question 2 because you can see that R now is constant since year 1 until infinity. Same as G, that constant from year 1 until, actually there's a break here between year 7 and 8, which is mean it changed from $14.30 dividend to 0. So this is part that we're gonna work with together. So basically, the part that we're gonna work with include all the green part, which is this part, okay, and then this part, the pink part. So I call pink part step 1 and the green part is step 2. Okay, so in step 1, we're going to work with all the cash flow that happened at year 8, 9, 10, until infinity. And the information that we have for cash flow at year 8, 9, 10, 11, until infinity is use the required return equal to 11%. And the growth is 0% because basically it said that after year 7, the dividend changed to 0, and then it ceased right with that 0 number afterward. So thereafter, that means basically the growth is 0% and dividend is $0 as well. Okay. So if we want to find the present value of all cash flow that happened at year 8 until forever, we're gonna deal with $0 every year. So why bother with like calculation, because we can tell that the sum of 0 is basically 0. So we can say that with this scenario, at the end of year 7, if we want to see what will be the present value of all cash flow after that, it's simply equal to 0 because that's the sum of 0 in the future cash flow. All right, so move to step 2. Step 2, we're going to work with year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which again, R is constant at 11%. G constant at 0%, and dividend is 14.3 since year 1 until year 7. So in this case, you can do by using the time value of money, or you can use the cash flow function. So let's work on this part that I didn't fill in information for you yet. So in order to find the present value at time 0 of all this cash flow year 1 to year 7, you're gonna have dividend every year plus gonna be the lump sum of cash flow since year 8 until infinity, okay, which is come from here, which is 0. Make sense? So this is the cash flow from year 8 to year infinity. That's the present value of cash flow from year 8 to year infinity, which is 0 because there's nothing happen after that. So you can do 2 ways, okay. Approach 1 to find PV0, okay. So we use PVM function. Okay, so you have n, which is 7, right? And you have IY, which is right here, 11. And everything here is the annual, so you can simply use 11, don't have to convert anything. PV, that's what we need to compute, so we leave just like that. PMT, the definition of PMT is the amount of money that you receive or paid with the same amount and same frequency, which is appear to be 14.3 in this scenario. Okay, and the last part is FV, and here it shows that FV is 0. All right, so you compute for PV. So let me put this information in for you. So clear time value of money and clear everything. Clear one more time. All right, 7N, 11 IY, 14.3 PMT, 0 FV, compute PV. So I got 67.38. 67.38. Okay, so I got this compute, then 63, 67, I'm sorry, 67.38. Okay, so that's approach one way you can do. The second way, approach number two, to find, you're gonna get confused, like I put this is step, and this is a step. And then approach is the approach to find PV. Approach to find PV0. Okay. So it's part of step 2, okay? So this approach, either 1 or 2 is part of step 2. So approach number 2 you can use in order to find the amount right here is to use CF function, which you put, let me write down here, CF0 will be 0. You can see here, nothing happened here, right? And then CO1 will be 14.3, right here. And again, if you don't want to spend much time key in the information, you can use the FO1, okay, by counting how many times that this cash flow reoccurring. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it happened 7 times. So frequency of cash flow that equal to 14.3 happens 7 times. And that's it. You put I, so keep press on NPV, put I equal to 11, and then compute for NPV. All right. So I put here for you to show you one more time. So CF, 0 is 0, and CL1 is 14.3, enter, and it's happened 7 times, okay? And then you compute NPV and put I 11%, and then compute. So see, you got exactly the same number, 67.38. So with either approach, you're gonna end up with the same number for present value of the stock today. All right. So I hope this video helped you understand how to work with the supernormal growth dividend. So again, the idea is just you break the timeline and the cash flow with that timeline into different smaller sections and then work with them step by step. Okay. All right. So I hope everyone have a very happy Easter and good luck on your exam on Monday.